In our previous video, we discussed the incredible AI strategies for wealth creation. Today, we will reveal the Millionaires Secret, a fantastic domain where artificial intelligence meets millionaire aspirations. So, if you're interested, stick around till the end of the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. For years, artificial intelligence or AI has been a buzzword, but its impact on wealth generation is just now beginning to be seen. As AI technology advances, it is becoming evident that the world's wealthiest individuals and corporations are taking use of it. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the new economy and how AI is changing it. Historically, human labor drove the economy. Now, it is largely powered by digital technology and AI. AI is being utilized to increase efficiency, accuracy, and consumer satisfaction. All of these factors have contributed to the start of a new age of economic prosperity. Actually, the number of self-made millionaires was far smaller 10 years ago than it is today. This was partly attributable to the fact that most people had limited access to capital and resources. However, thanks to AI, entrepreneurs now have access to a plethora of technologies that may be used to unlock wealth-building opportunities. In short, AI makes it easier for individuals and corporations alike to invest wisely and build greater wealth. With that said, here are the top 10 ways AI is altering wealth generation. Number 10. Using AI to easily develop personal or professional brands. In today's digital world, personal branding is more crucial than ever. How does AI assist? AI-powered tools and platforms automate time-consuming operations, including content generation, social media administration, and audience engagement. Simultaneously, AI tackles the mundane and repetitive tasks, speeding your brand's growth and freeing up your time for wealth-generating ideas. AI algorithms sift through massive amounts of data, discover trends, and deliver actionable insights to help you generate captivating content and manage your online presence. Without a doubt, having access to a powerful tool can assist you in rapidly developing your personal or professional brand. You can drastically expedite the process of establishing your brand with AI. Number 9. Minimize investing risks. Artificial intelligence techniques and algorithms can effectively forecast market moves. It identifies hidden patterns and trends, allowing investors to make informed decisions and grasp opportunities before others. This is the secret weapon that millionaires have been using for years. Furthermore, AI can measure your risk tolerance, analyze your investment portfolio, and provide customized suggestions to maximize your profits. It is like having a personal financial advisor available 24/7. Number 8. Managing money and finances. Did you know that almost 90% of billionaires attribute their wealth to good money management? But what if AI tools like Mint and K-Show can go much further? Analyzing mounds of data, performing lightning-fast calculations, detecting trends and patterns, and offering insights that human minds simply cannot match. That's right, AI has the potential to revolutionize how we manage our money and accumulate riches. See, this secret sauce gives you the financial expertise of millionaires at your fingertips. Number 7. AI accelerates learning. True strength comes from knowledge. However, artificial intelligence is changing the way we learn and expanding our learning potential. Yes, it's like if you had your own personal genius mentor. It may also adapt and learn from your behavior, fine-tuning its recommendations and techniques based on your own preferences. Indeed, learning with AI saves you time, and it has become your hidden weapon for outwitting the market, seeing trends before they develop, and seizing lucrative chances with precision. Have you tried AI apps so far? If yes, hit the like button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Life of Luxury, so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 6. Automating business processes. Savvy entrepreneurs all around the world have used the power of AI to transform their firms into wealth-generating machines. It is the hidden weapon driving their rapid growth, providing them an advantage over the competition. Yes, AI can handle everything from customer service chatbots to inventory management systems with lightning speed. Number 5. Analyzing and expanding your current business. Finding inventive ways to succeed in a competitive landscape is always a top responsibility. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned entrepreneur, that is where AI comes in. With AI-powered analytics, you can unearth a goldmine of opportunities concealed within your current processes. Number 4. Uncovering new opportunities. Previously, identifying new possibilities required lengthy research and trial and error. However, with the advent of AI, identifying possibilities has become far easier and more accessible than ever before. It has transformed how we investigate and find potential paths to growth and achievement. AI is changing the environment of innovation, entrepreneurship, and personal growth by making it easier to find possibilities. Number 3. Increases your productivity significantly. Humans frequently struggle to keep up with the expectations of the modern age due to heavy workloads. According to studies, humans spend an average of 3 hours every day on monotonous tasks that could be readily mechanized. However, some AI solutions, such as Jasper AI and ChatGPT, can handle all of this for you. It saves you time, money, and hassle. So why should we accept being overwhelmed and confined by our mental limitations? Number 2. Using artificial intelligence in marketing. AI can extract priceless insights from enormous datasets in real time, allowing you to customize your messaging and target the appropriate audience at the right moment. You don't have to be a computer expert to use AI in marketing. AI marketing technologies and platforms are widely available to you. Number 1. AI startups are being launched. Last year alone, AI startups garnered almost $50 billion in funding. AI is expected to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. These remarkable figures demonstrate that the AI revolution is well underway, and those who seize this incredible wave of invention will have a long-term impact on the globe. So, your startup must provide a solution that adds value, whether it is simplifying processes, improving consumer experiences, or fostering innovation. That brings us to the end of our list. Remember that success requires action. It is up to you to harness the power of AI and apply it to your financial goals. If you've made it this far, please leave a comment answering this question. Can artificial intelligence replace human intelligence? That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!